Hey, welcome back. I'm Courtney and this is The Accounting Struggle, where we speak about our struggles with accounting openly and honestly. We do not run from them. And in today's video, I want to talk a little bit about these upcoming CPA exam changes. So first of all, if you are new here, hello, welcome. I am Courtney. I talk about accounting. And if you are returning, thank you guys so much for being here. It's great to see you again. So as you know, I talk about the CPA exam quite a bit on this channel. So the CPA exam, as it stands, is a uniform exam. It is to become a licensed accountant. It is the highest credential you can have in accounting. So there's currently 4 sections of the CPA exam. So there is FAR, which is Financial Accounting and Reporting. There is Auditing and Attestation. There's Regulation, which is the tax portion. And then there is Business, Environment, and Concepts, which is BEC. So right now there's a mix of multiple choice questions and simulations. So each section, in order to pass, you have to get a 75 on, at least a 75 on each exam. And you have an 18-month window to do so. So once you pass the first exam, you have 18 months to finish the rest. So that's the current exam. So come January 2024, which is closer than we realize, come January 2024, there are going to be some changes made to the exam. So if you have been considering taking the CPA and you're like, I don't know, I tried it before in the past, I started it, it was too much, it was weighing heavy on my soul, like I just had to step away from it, and you have always wanted to go back to it, this might be the best time to finish it up because the exam is going to change in 2024. So what are the changes? So 3 of the sections will still be the same. You'll still have FAR, not getting around her. That's Financial Accounting and Reporting. That's going to be the same. Tax, Regulation, that's going to be the same. Audit and Attestation. Those 3 sections are going to be the same. And of course, over time, over the years, the questions, the content will change. However, those 3 sections are still the main 3 sections that you'll have to pass. Now, the 4th section, you get to choose where you want to pick your focus. One thing to note, there is going to be a lot more technology being emphasized throughout each section of the exam, and that just speaks to where we are in the industry, where we are in technology. People think of tech as something completely separate from accounting, and it is not. Accounting uses tech, is very much involved in tech, robotics, AI, all of that stuff. So that's going to be heavily emphasized throughout all of the parts of the exam. Now this big change that's coming up in January 2024 is going to be the Core Plus discipline. So in addition to the 3 main exam portions, FAR, Audit, and Regulation, in addition to those 3 core, you have one other discipline that you need to focus on, and you can choose from these: Business Reporting and Analysis, Information Systems and Controls, Tax Compliance and Planning. So those are going to be the 3 other disciplines that you can focus on. It's basically taking the overall CPA exam and then taking a deeper dive into one of the core disciplines. So if you look at the Tax Compliance and Planning, obviously that's going to kind of relate back to Regulation. That will really be for all of the girlies, the people who want to focus on tax in their career. If that's something you already know or something you are already doing and you haven't yet gotten a CPA, but you're planning to, and you know that you want to spend your career in tax, that would probably be the section that you would want to get the most emphasis in, so that when you are using it in practice, you'll already have that knowledge. Now, BEC used to kind of take all of this and encompass it together. It was information systems, there was economics, there was cost accounting, there was some business law. It was all kind of meshed up into one exam. So that's the exam that you would see now if you're taking BEC, if you're taking it now. But with this new format, you're kind of able to just pick a section and more so focus on that. So obviously Information Systems and Controls is going to be just what it sounds like. And I think this would be a good discipline to focus on if you think you're going to be on more of the advisory or consulting side of accounting. If you like the technology piece of things, if you really are going to be doing more auditing, that side of it would probably be good for you to focus on. Business Reporting and Analysis, if I had to choose today, that would definitely be the section. I know you probably would think I would choose Tax Planning, but it would definitely be Business Analysis and Reporting, because that discipline is gonna be really over encompassing. So this will probably be great for anyone who wants to be at an executive or like C-suite level, because they're going to be taking, and this will relate mostly to the FAR portion of the exam, because that's the financial accounting and reporting, but this is a deeper dive into that. So that's going to be more so telling you how to overall like really understand the numbers of a business. So I think that's a great section to focus on as well. Now, personally, I have not seen any of the curriculum or any of the actual exam questions, so I can't speak to the difficulty level, but I mean, it's a CPA, so expect to cry. So this CPA Evolution, who will it impact? So again, if you have already started taking the CPA exam and you are currently in the process, as long as you pass all 4 sections by December 31st, 2023, which is next December. Not sure when you're watching this, but I'm filming it in 2022. So this would be next December 2023. Then you will not be needing to focus on this evolution, the CPA evolution. It's not going to impact you. But let's say you only have 2 sections passed. You pass FAR and you pass Reg, and that's in December 2023, and you still have to do 2 more sections. Well, originally it would have been that you would have to do audit and I don't remember what the 2 I said. If I said FAR and BC, then you would still have to do audit and regulation. However, now you would just have to do the 3 main sections, which again is FAR, audit, and regulation, and now you would go and pick another focus. So if you are about to start the journey from scratch and you don't know how long it will take you, hopefully, if you watch my other videos, you won't get caught up in all of the having to retake it and failing and all of that, and you'll be able to skim past this and be done before the 2023 deadline. And you'll just take all of the original 4 sections. But if that doesn't happen and you're starting now, I would say don't start with BEC if you think that this is going to linger on, because then you're still going to have to pick another discipline to focus on if it lingers past the 2023 mark. This is August of 2022 when I'm filming this, so hopefully if you're starting your journey today, you will be finished well before this will impact you. But let's say you embark on this journey late in 2023. Again, I would start with these 3 main sections just to make sure you get those under your belt, and then if it crosses over into January 2024, then you'll pick that other discipline. I don't want you wasting time and money and resources taking a section that won't actually get you to a CPA license. So if you're wondering why are there these changes, so it's really because clients are demanding more and the industry itself is seeing more. I mean, we have the cybersecurity, there's blockchain, there's a lot more emphasis on technology, and that's had a huge impact on the type of business and the way we do business with our clients, and that impacts different sectors of accounting. It's not just tax, it's not just audit, it's kind of just the way we do our jobs in general as accountants. And because of that, the CPA exam needs to reflect the reality of the type of work we do now. There's no sense in having stale information and knowledge going into a career that's going to look totally different than what you just learned. So that's the reason for the changes, and another reason I think is just because it's the CPA and they love to make things more and more complex. Gotta keep you on your toes. So anyway, I hope that this helps. If you have any questions, I have a ton of other CPA videos. I will link some here in the cards just to make sure you can take a look at some of the other content that I've made if this is something that you're new to, if you're just about to start on this journey, or if you're trying to decide if you even want to be in accounting. I hope that you found this to be helpful. If you did enjoy today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, share, all those good things. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.